Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Living with animals. This is Jackson Liaram. He is checking his email at the Maasai Mara, where he works as a guide. Jackson is one of the Maasai people. He grew up in a village near the reserve. While growing up, Jackson learned that some animals attack if they see people coming into their space. His mother would not let him leave the house to walk to school if any elephants or buffalo were near their home. Buffalo and elephants are the most threatening animals, says Jackson. I was scared of the elephants and buffalo, but I was very fast, and it was fun to run from them too. Hippos are also very dangerous, Jackson says. Parents told us not to roam around during the night when hippos might be grazing. The giraffes at the Mara are different from other giraffes. The coat of the Mara giraffe has an oak leaf pattern. In the Mara, Kenyans such as Jackson work to protect the animals so visitors will enjoy seeing them far into the future. Our animals are our pride and our heritage, he says.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.